I welcome you to this session in Java. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about Introduction to Java. Our very first question arises, what is Java? Java is a programming language with object-oriented programming model. Object-oriented programming model here means everything in Java is taken as an object. Object means object is an entity which has some state and behavior. State means data and behavior means function. Java is an open source programming language. Java is a programming language and computing platform first released by Sun Microsoft in 1995. This language is created by a team led by James Gosling. Java is a platform independent language. That means you write a class or a program once and you compile it, and this particular compiled version of class could be run anywhere or any machine, or it could be transported this compiled version of Java anywhere in network. So this simply means that write once and run anywhere. That's why it is a platform independent. Most important thing about Java is if you write a program today on Windows, compile it, and tomorrow I can just take it on my pen drive and run it on Linux or other operating systems. Java can be used to create complete applications that may run on a single computer or a distributed computer. So our next question is, what is the features of Java? First feature in Java is a very simple language. This means anyone can easily understand this language. Java is highly performance language. Security. Java is a very secure language because in C language we use pointer, but in Java we do not use pointers. Pointer contain address of another node. Sometimes it creates security issues, so that Java is more secure language. Robust. Java is a robust language. Robust here means Java completely takes care of memory allocation and releasing, which makes Java more robust. Java is a portable language. That means you can run a program in any platforms. Java is a dynamic. That means it has runtime polymorphism. Object oriented. Java supports object oriented programming language. That means Java support object and classes. Now our last question is, in which sectors is Java used? Java used in Android apps. Android apps could be written on Java. It also used in Java web applications in the form of JSP files. JSP file is a dynamic HTML page. Many mini web applications can be developed in Java. Java is also used in embedded system. If you want to stay connected and stay updated about the recent technologies, then subscribe to our YouTube channel.